This is Khan.
You ready for this?
He's gonna eat a spoonful of flies. It used to be on a fly strip.
$200.
He is not dumb. He's just very dangerous.
Alright, you guys ready?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's still flies on the food. That's so fucking gross, bro.
Yeah!
Still on your
Feel
lip.
him. Let's
Still on your
see.
lip.
There's some on your lip. Oh, so awesome.
What do you mean? You can't swallow, bro. You gotta swallow, bro. Don't.
Yeah, don't puke. Don't puke.
This is so gross. So many fly guts.
I think there's some stuck in your teeth.
Oh my god. So many flies. You can feel like legs and everything.
No.
Let me see.
No.
I can't get it anymore. I gotta get some water.
Well, hold your tongue out. Hold your tongue out. Let me zoom in on the wing.
Alright, I can drink water, right? I can't get it anymore now.
Go ahead. You're still a pussy.